the taking. Spending all my time living on made up. I need to wake up.